I know you are worried about me. I was too. Hello. Kaidaurige. Kaya laino. Kana kana saliwa. Aina adu yade hai natro. Aina adu yade hai natro. Aina yada bdo siam to jimu. Now I'm totally fine, and for your information, now I am. Mayam aduna ngasi video sidi stop worrying for the things you don't have to control. So today's video is for the people who are worried about their careers, their financial status, just started a business, working on a project, being ugly, being single, and of course, girlfriend got stolen. Match the letters at Padiyam Leibuko. But when it comes to a real life problem, you become less of a solver and more of a thinker. Slippery slope fallacy. Ma'am Google the check the bureau. Argument the problem solve the umatum the isad apply to ragadi. Baseless or by yumfam chadava conclusion, ma'am piraga and worried to lepiro. Ma'am worried to brains the attention focus energy pi natrana. Adu itaragadi yam simple oibuko. High attention, energy, focus divert to. So you can try some activities like breathing exercises. That's what the book says. But what I also do is hold my breath as long as I can and maxing out my lung volume. Sources like the other activities like listening to music is also what the book suggests. But what I suggest is not only listening to music, but actually performing to the music, like singing, dancing, which you don't feel like. So a basic tapping will just do the work. So in life, everyone has problem, regardless of who he or she is. Everyone has problem. Problem later mi kananta later ko. The problem later kadi problem la kamatamda. Okay, have kind of problem tells our mind to worry, get into that mental state, go and worry. Have an indicator way ko. Alta worry to was a fabra sung fatabra dune. Worry to was a amram the fay it boosts your productivity blah blah blah. Another topic ko. Nangi mind up pollution tholi ba commotion tholi ba nangi productivity the harm tori ba. Adu matang da ne ko. Whenever you are having a problem, whenever you are facing a problem, the moment you realize that you are about to transition into that mental state of being worried. When you have gone you can trick your mind by asking some logical question, by reasoning yourself. So let's get into it. And a simple question: do you have a problem? Do target answers any function? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do I have a problem? No, I don't have a problem. Then I don't need to worry. As simple as that. Simple the problem worry. Another case, do I have a problem? Yes. Yes ko. Adu itaragadi. In a question can I do something about it? So in total, you'll be asking only 2 questions and you'll be free from being worried. You'll be free from being worried for the rest of your life. Thank me later, my friend. The first question, do you have a problem? Yes or no? Si no giloga? Yes ko. Yes, I have a problem. Second question, can I do something about it? Can I do something about it? Is that problem under my control? Is that problem accountable? Is that problem solvable? Yes or no? If that problem is under your control, if that problem is solvable, then I don't need to worry. I will go out there, solve the problem, figure it out, do things that will solve the problem. Again, no. If if that problem is unsolvable, if that problem is not under your control, if that problem is very very hardcore, then you don't have to worry about it. Ma'am, sigi knows it. Sigi knows it. When it's solved, to basu ngam mo si dene ba na stuck to risiko. Sigi knows it. Sigi knows it. When it's solved, to basu ngam daba ko control makha da su lai daba pot da khanjal laga overthinking to raga tang ra samje am tang hai ko se samje am tang hai dubu samje ko na kelan na se dum sin bane khanjal laga overthink to raga. So that's it. Si am kana dra ma'am. Iko senje yam simple lo ni yam logical lo ni ko. Si se dum sina biwa tare. Nang question ani ka dan hang du. Question ani ka dan hangaga nang punsi supa problem ma face tor pakanda atha sare or worried oire har pakanda sigi problem ani sina nangi punsi se kandu ne ko. Do you have a problem? Yes or no? Can you do something about it? Yes or no? Pull up kai tar ke have kanda. You don't have to worry. So everyone stop worrying. Stop giving a